Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing extremely well. So today in this video we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches. So here's our first opportunity from Infosys, right? So before proceeding further in the video, make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed our channel till now, and be a part of our Telegram community as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. So coming to our first opportunity, so that is from Infosys, and here you can see the post from G. Upenda Reddy, right? So Infosys is basically hiring graduates from 2022 batch. Now there's two roles. One is specialist programmer and another one is digital specialist engineer, right? So this is the link provided. I'll be providing the link in the description itself. You can just check it from there. Last day to register is 26th of December. So make sure to do the registration before the given deadline. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria as well. So role we have already discussed. In the eligibility criteria, they have mentioned BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, 5 years integrated. Branches eligible are computer science engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, information science and technology, information technology, mathematics and computing. All percentages CGPA should be simple average for all subjects. So they have provided you kind of information regarding calculating your percentages, CGPA and everything. So only graduates from 2022 is eligible. Compensation, so here you can see for specialist programmer role in INR 8 lakhs per annum, and for digital specialist engineer role it is INR 6.25 lakhs per annum, right? So if you're interested in this opportunity, the link is provided in the description itself. You can just check it from there. Do apply, guys. This is an amazing opportunity from the Infosys. Coming to our next opportunity, so that is from CGI. So they are basically hiring freshers from 2020 as well as from 2021 batch. So here you can see the city mentioned is Mumbai, Maharashtra, and let's go through the position description. So CGI is looking for exceptional motivated individuals to be a part of the APAC business unit. As an individual, you will take an exciting and challenging role on a team that is innovating across technologies and domain. There's a great deal of opportunity for a creative technocrat to innovate in this role. The ideal candidate will be an excellent team player with a strong technical ability. Let's quickly jump to the qualification mentioned. So degree, BE, BTech, open to all streams. So no matter from which stream you are, you can just apply for this. Also, there should be no backlogs clearly specified by them. Cutoff marks are 60% in BE, BTech, 10th and 12th, year of graduation eligible, 20 as well as 21. Skills, so they have provided just Java only. Okay, so study and the points are also provided. You can just go through it, and if you're interested in this opportunity, then make sure to apply for the same. Now let's come to our next opportunity. So here's our next opportunity, that is from Boeing. So here you can see they are basically hiring for the role of entry-level software engineer. Here they have provided the benefits as well, and the job description is here that at Boeing we innovate and collaborate to make the world a better place from the seabed to outer space. You can just go through it. At the highest level, diversity and inclusion are part of our Boeing's values. So they are basically looking for entry-level software engineer to work on various products and application developed in BIETC. The selected employees will be part of a special rotation program for the first 18 months, thus enabling them to understand and learn a wide range of domains and cutting-edge technology work on BIETC before being placed into permanent projects. Position responsibilities are estimate user stories, feature story point estimation and task in hours with the required level of accuracy and commit them as part of sprint planning. Contribute to the backlog refinement meetings by promptly asking relevant questions to ensure requirements achieve the right level of definition or ready. Work with the product owner to confirm that a code and acceptance test reflect the desired functionality, raise any impediments, risk they come across, and approach a Scrum Master, update the status, develop working software towards committed team PI objective and iteration plans, deliver working software in accordance with expected quality standard designed for testability. So basic qualifications is 0 to 4 years of relevant experience. So if you're just a fresher, then also you can apply. This opportunity is probably for 19, 20 as well as for 21 batch. Bachelor's degree you need is in aerospace, electronics or computer science engineering. So past experience in one or more of the following, that is Python, Java full stack, embedded C++, Angular, .NET, Cloud, DevOps. Preferred qualification are knowledge of the entire software development life cycle, high learning agility, team player, good written and verbal communication skill. Candidate must be a self-starter with a positive attitude, high ethics, and a track record. Right? So till the points are given, you can just explore them, read more about them. We'll be coming to our next opportunity. So this is from Cantor. Cantor is hiring software engineer, as you can see. So okay, let's talk about the position. So they are hiring software engineer. Job location is going to be Bangalore, and job type is full time. There is no service agreement. The skills you need are apply design, pattern, and architectural recommendation from lead engineer, understand detailed design and contribute to design elements at a module level, apply best practices in software development, ready to adopt, propose new technology, good understanding of data structure and RDBMS, effective communication skills. Candidates should be well versed in at least one programming language, preferably C, C++, Java.NET. Eligibility criteria, so you need a minimum score of 60% in graduation, a minimum score of 60% in 10th and 12th, excellent communication skill, professional graduate in either stream like BTech, BE, and MCA. Only 2020 and 2021 pass outs are eligible for this opportunity. CTC they are offering is 5 LPA. Here they have provided the company. So this is the company URL as well if you want to explore more. Coming to the selection process, so online aptitude test link will be shared to the registered email IDs. Technical interview, then HR interview. Now online test will be sent to the registered candidate who meet the eligibility criteria. Also they are hiring for the immediate joiner. Here they have clearly specified shortlisted candidates from the test should be available for the further interview process. So yeah, so these were some of the opportunities that I covered in this video. If this video is helpful for you, then make sure to hit the like button, do subscribe our channel. Also guys, that's a request to share the video among your friends as well, so that even they can know about these opportunities, they can apply for the same, they can get placed in the companies, right? So please share the video among your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.